Hey kids, Tito Jamie here. Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. Yes, another video, another one from Asus, and this time we're checking out the new Asus Zenbook 13 UX325. Yes, their naming conventions are so long, but this is just the 2020 refresh for their Zenbook 13. This new notebook is both thinner and lighter than the previous model, which you probably can't tell because I'm showing you B-roll of the box, but this should make for an awesome laptop for both work and play when we're all allowed to see other people again. Alright, so let's just do a quick unboxing of the Asus. Alright, so let's show you what comes inside the box of the new Asus Zenbook 13. Alright, so here's everything that you get inside the box of the Zenbook 13. Of course, you have the notebook itself, a small compact charger, the documentation, a very nice looking cover to carry it in, a USB Type-C to 3.5mm jack, and a USB Type-C Ethernet adapter. So yeah, you will be living a bit of the dongle life here, but it's nothing too bad. I'll show you the I/O ports later on. Anyway, let's take a closer look at the Zenbook 13. Now, Asus has been making ultrabooks ever since the category began nearly a decade ago, and they've gotten really good at it. The Zenbook 13 lineup doesn't have a ton of changes aside from the small tweaks to keep it current with Intel's current crop of notebook processors, but those tweaks are enough to make it a serious contender the next time you're shopping for a laptop. The laptop still sports a metal chassis and still has that recognizable metal spun finish that Asus is known for. What's changed now is the fact that it's significantly lighter and thinner than last year's offering, coming in at just 1.18 kilos and 13.9mm respectively. And for our comparison guys, here it is side by side with my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. The 13-inch model is pretty compact for its category thanks to the shrunken bezels on the side and top of the notebook. Despite that, Asus still found a way to sneak in a webcam, which should come in handy the next time your school or company does a Zoom call. Speaking of the screen, you're getting a 13.3-inch Full HD IPS display with an anti-glare coating, again, useful when we're allowed to go outside again. Now the color accuracy is pretty good with my untrained eyes, and you should be getting at least 30 nits of max brightness. Asus offers an even brighter screen for this particular line, bumps it up to 450 nits, though I'm not sure if it's arriving in the Philippines. Despite being incredibly thin, the Zenbook 13 still has space in its chassis for a pretty healthy selection of ports. There are two USB Type-C ports with Thunderbolt 3 support, both of which can be used to charge the notebook via the Type-C charger. You have a single USB Type-A port, HDMI port, and a micro SD card reader. Now, unfortunately, as you saw, no headphone jack, so you will have to use that adapter that comes inside the box. Like most premium notebooks that Asus sells, the Zenbook 13 utilizes the company's ErgoLift hinge, which angles the keyboard towards you a few degrees for a more comfortable typing angle. This also allows the notebook to produce better audio through its bottom-firing speakers, as well as provide more airflow to more efficiently cool the notebook when it's in use. The keyboard is an edge-to-edge design, which helps in keeping the physical footprint of the device low, plus the trackpad doubles as a numpad, a godsend for people who live and breathe Excel. The new models also come with Intel's new crop of 10th generation mobile chipsets. Ours has the Core i5-1035G1 with 8GB of RAM and 512GB of SSD storage. The Zenbook 13 also comes with a big 67 watt-hour battery, which Asus claims can power the notebook up to 22 hours on a single charge, but of course, we'll see how much juice it actually has with actual use. But it may well be the case, as Intel's new crop of mobile processors have proven to be incredibly power efficient. The price for the Asus Zenbook 13 starts at 54,995 pesos. So there you have it guys, that's pretty much it for your quick look at the new Asus Zenbook 13. Thank you so much for dropping by and spending a few minutes with me. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try my best to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie, peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys next time.